Hey everyone, we're going to do an experiment of chemical effects on electric currents from grade 8. So these are the components which we're going to use. We'll be using a battery pack, 2 metal strips, a salt. It's going to be very interesting. This is a small template over which we'll be fixing both the plates, a buzzer to check whether the electricity is conductive, to check whether there is electric current passing through, and a double-threaded tape to fix this particular buzzer. And we also need a cup of water over which we'll be checking whether this water is conductive enough or not. Let's start building our project. The very first thing we'll do is we'll keep things aside. Now we do have a small template over which we'll be fixing the plates. So I'll put the plates, making sure the hole is in the front. I'll insert it here on the right hand side. Now there's one more thing to be done. We have to fix this buzzer on the top. So what I will do, I'll peel this double-threaded tape off from both the sides. I'll put one side at the back of this buzzer and fixing it like this. So this time we have to take care of the polarity, because this positive and this negative, we have to connect this to the positive and this to the negative. Now the first will go directly to this plate. Let's say I'm connecting the positive part to the plate here, and I can twist the wires easily. Twist the wires like this. Next I'll connect another terminal with this battery pack. If it is black, connect it with the black, because ground, that is the negative part, goes to the negative. I'll twist this like this, and the positive will go to the another plate we have inserted. So we have closed the circuit, but not yet, because we have not touched both the plates. So I'll twist this wires like this. Now once it is done, let's check whether both the circuit works just by testing touching both the plates. It's worked perfectly fine, because we're directly connecting and shorting these two different plates. Now but the task is whether it works with water, or water is conductive enough or not. So I'll take a small cup, I'll put some water into it. I'll try to insert both the plates into the water. If you can hear, the sound is very less, because not all the current is flowing through it, right? Now what I will do to increase the conductivity, or to increase the ions inside this water, I will add salt. I'll add salt. Ionization happens. The Cl, that is the sodium chloride, where the NaCl, the Cl minus, that ion will get energized here. And further, if I put both the plates inside it, you can see the kind of sound you can hear is completely done. So if you see this, if I'm putting it into a blank water, a normal water without salt, it's producing very less sound. But whenever I'm putting it into the water with the salt, the conductivity increases. This is how the changes in the chemical reaction helps the current to flow more easily. This is how we can understand the particular concept. Thank you so much for watching.